If you want to connect MailChimp with WordPress, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step using Zapier. This is a great no-code method for connecting your website and email marketing platform so you can automate actions, sync data, and save a lot of time. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, go to Zapier in your browser. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, look for the Create option and click on it. This is where you begin building your automation. After that, click on Zaps because a zap is the workflow that connects two apps together. Now, you'll need to set up your trigger. Click on Trigger to choose the app that starts the automation. In the search bar, type WordPress and click on it when it appears. Then choose an event from the list. You can select any event that fits your workflow, depending on what you want WordPress to do as the starting point. After selecting the event, log into your WordPress account so Zapier can access the site securely. Once the trigger is connected, move on to the action step. Click on Action to choose the app that will receive the data or perform the next step. Search for MailChimp and click on it. Just like before, choose an event from the available options. Pick the one that matches the task you want MailChimp to perform, such as adding a subscriber, updating a contact, or sending data into a list. Then log into your MailChimp account so the connection can be completed. After both accounts are connected, you'll see the option to build it in the top area. Click on that to continue setting up the automation. This is where you connect the details between WordPress and MailChimp so the workflow knows exactly what information to move from one platform to the other. Before finishing, click on Test Run. This step is important because it lets you check whether the connection is working properly. Zapier will send a sample test through the workflow so you can confirm everything is set up correctly. If the test works, then you know the automation is ready. If everything looks good, click Publish. That will turn on your Zap and officially connect MailChimp with WordPress. From that point on, your automation can run in the background and help you streamline your marketing and website workflow. And that's it. You've now connected MailChimp with WordPress using Zapier in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.